In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap coins on Trust Wallet efficiently and effortlessly. Whether you're new to crypto transactions or just looking to streamline your process, this guide will help you navigate the Trust Wallet app with ease. First things first, you'll need to open the Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Once inside, you'll notice several features that the app offers prominently displayed on the main screen, such as the options to send, swap, fund, and sell your crypto assets. You'll also see an overview of your tokens right there. The swap function is our main focus today, as it allows you to exchange one cryptocurrency for another directly within the app. To begin the swapping process, simply locate and tap on the swap option. This will direct you to a screen where you can select which coins you'd like to swap. When you get to the swap interface, you'll see two main sections, From and To. In the From section, click on the small arrow next to the displayed token. This action will bring up a list of all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold in your Trust Wallet account. Browse through this list and select the coin that you wish to swap. This is the coin you'll be exchanging from. Now, moving on to the To section, you'll see a similar icon, a small arrow or icon, which, when clicked, will allow you to choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive in exchange. Again, feel free to scroll through the available options and select the coin you wish to swap into. Once you've chosen your desired cryptocurrencies for both sections, it's time to enter the amount you want to swap. Make sure you double-check the figures you've inputted to avoid any mistakes. Accuracy is important here, as you want to ensure that the swap reflects exactly what you intend. With the amount in place, go ahead and click on the Swap button. This action will lead you to a series of prompts on your screen. These prompts are designed to confirm the transaction details and to ensure you're ready to proceed. They might include summary details like the swap amount, the conversion rate, and any fees involved. Take your time to review these prompts to ensure everything is correct. Once you've verified all the details, simply follow the prompts to complete the transaction. It's as easy as that. Keep an eye on the confirmation notifications to know when the swap is successful. With these steps, you're well on your way to swapping coins effectively using Trust Wallet. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. Have a great time managing your cryptocurrencies with Trust Wallet.